Hey everyone, Tim from Booth.Events here. Just a super quick video to show you how to work around a particular problem. If you have a Canon selfie printer or any printer that makes its own Wi-Fi and you connect your iPad to that Wi-Fi and your iPad has cellular data, you might find that you don't have internet access on your iPad. I'm going to quickly show you how to fix that. For this video, I'm going to use my iPhone instead of an iPad because my iPad with cellular data is at home and I'm at the office. Oops. But it's exactly the same thing on the iPhone and the iPad. So you can do the same thing on your iPad. Okay, so here's my iPhone and you can see the Wi-Fi is connected directly to the Canon selfie. And let's go into Safari and we can see I've got a web page up there about Crystal Palace, which is the best team in the world. And I do a search, I do a Google or whatever, and it doesn't work. You can see that blue bar at the bottom, it's not working. So if I go to some website, no dice. So this is the problem. This is what we're gonna fix. So go back to the settings app. Here you can see I've got the Wi-Fi connected to the Canon selfie. Here's how you fix this. Go to the Wi-Fi, hit that little eye icon next to the Wi-Fi to open up the Wi-Fi settings. Scroll down. Where you see configure IP automatic, hit that, change it to manual. Before we do that, we're gonna go back and take note of these numbers here. So there's an IP address, a subnet, and a router. The router is the problem. The problem is we need to have no router. So we're gonna put the same IP address and the same subnet mask. Okay, I've memorized those numbers. I'm gonna go hit configure IP. I'm gonna change it to manual, and I'm gonna type in those same numbers. Like this. Okay, save it. Done. So far, so good. So now let's see if I have internet access like I hope. And you can see how the router's empty. That's kind of the whole point there. So I go back in and I try reloading and boom, my cellular data is now working and I'm still showing that I'm connected to Wi-Fi. And now let's check the final thing. Let's open up Booth.Events. And let's make sure that we can still add the printer. So I'm going to hit add, and there it is, Canon selfie. Boom. Okay, that should be all you need. So it's just that setting in Wi-Fi settings, and it should remember it the next time you connect. Okay, hope that helps.